Hey guys, we have just finally arrived here in Nice. I'm sorry for how I look right now because it was a long flight from Seville. We went on a 3-hour layover at Amsterdam and then here at Nice, so it was like a whole day flight for us, so I don't look my best right now, but we are actually in our room, so I'm gonna give you a short room tour. Our room here in Nice is not as big as the one in Seville, but we have an awesome view of the city. Okay, let me go ahead and show you our room. Okay guys, so this is our bed and we got all the things here. We have just arrived, so I'm sorry for that mess. Yes, this is our bed. It's not that big. And this is the restroom. My husband is still using it. And we also have a closet here. So this is our closet, and it's not that big, but it's still good. And there's like a safety box. And this is big. Okay, we have a TV right here, like a medium size flat screen TV. We also have like coffee and what is in here. All right, so this is our small room. It's not that big, but we like it, we love it. And we have like a small fridge right there, and there's like a bottle of water and like a drawer. Also, I will show you what I love about this room. This is our view. You can see how beautiful Nice is from our window. So beautiful, you guys. Let me see if I can open it. Oh guys, look, this is my view. This is our view. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look, you guys. Welcome to Nice, France. I would love to see how it's gonna look later when it gets darker. Maybe the light would make it look more amazing. So I can't wait to see how it's gonna look like when it's dark. I'm gonna begin with our day 1 here in Nice tomorrow. So I think we're gonna take the big bus tour around the city of Nice, and yeah, I will just show you around tomorrow. And I think that is my quick room tour. I am not sure if I'm gonna include this video on my day 1. I'm gonna include this clip on my day 1 tour tomorrow, or if I'm gonna make this as a separate clip. But anyhow, I will see you all again tomorrow, guys. We just have to freshen up and take a shower because it was such a long day. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.